Good evening, dear students. Welcome to online class. Children, today we will study the language of chemistry, and in this we have to talk about the balancing of chemical equation by hit and trial method. Children, I hope in your physical classes you are doing the revision of rest of the chapters. So today we will be compiling this chapter, this subject, that is chemistry. So this is the last class. So we will complete the language of chemistry today, and you will learn how we can balance the chemical equation by hit and trial method. Okay, so let's quickly start with it. So children, basically, we need to balance the chemical equation, and you know what is chemical equation. So I'm not going into deep into it. What is a chemical reaction involved? So balancing a chemical equation is very important for appropriate amount of the content or the quantity of a particular substance that we take. So for that, balancing of chemical equation is very important. So if we say we are talking about balancing of chemical equation, so balancing का मतलब ये होता है कि on the left hand side and on the right hand side of a chemical reaction, that is reactant and product. So when reactant mix together, they form a product, that you know. So each atom in the reactant should be equal to the number of reactant or number of the atom of product. Alright. Like for example, if we are taking 2 hydrogen in the left hand side, that is reactant, so we also need to take 2 hydrogen in the product side. Okay, so balancing the chemical equation basically means balancing the number of atoms in both the side, that is on the reactant side and on the product side. Okay, hit and trial method is one of the simplest method to do the balancing of a chemical equation. Okay, and how this hit and trial method work to balance a chemical equation, this we are going to study today. Okay, so let's start with it quickly. Children, it is there in your language of chemistry book. So I'll just show you the PDF. So this is on page number is not mentioned here, I think 24. So it is on page number 24, how to balance a chemical equation, and it is hit and trial method. Okay, so how to balance a chemical equation, it should be clearly understood that every outset that is undesirable to memorize balance equation, an attempt should be made to increase the chemical vocabulary by learning the products of a few chemical equation. So I am not going into it. Children, here there are basically two methods to balance a chemical equation. We have a hit and trial method, and second we have a partial equation method. So partial equation method is not in your syllabus, so we are not going to study that. So today we will talk about hit and trial method. Okay, it is one of the simplest method of balancing the chemical equation. Okay, so let's start with it. So children, we will talk about balancing the chemical equation by hit and trial method. So for any chemical reaction to be balanced, first of all, you should know what is a chemical reaction. So children, what is chemical reaction? You have already studied in your previous classes. So we know that when two or more substances mix together to give entirely new substance, that is called a chemical reaction. Like when A plus B mix together to give C plus D, it is a chemical reaction, and in the pattern in which we write this reaction is called a chemical equation. Okay, here the substance that we are adding is called reactant, and the output that we get is called product. Okay, now balancing the chemical equation means that if we have two atoms of A, then here also there should be two atoms of A. Getting it? For example, let's take, if we have H plus plus OH minus gives H2O. Alright. So the number of atoms of hydrogen and oxygen here should be equal. Like here we have 1 and 2 hydrogen. Correct? Here also we have 2 hydrogen. So it is balanced. Here in this is called LHS, that is left hand side, and this is called RHS, that is right hand side, that you do in maths. Okay. So here we have 2 hydrogen on LHS and we also have 2 hydrogen in RHS. So it is balanced. Now here we have 1 oxygen and here also we have 1 oxygen. So this chemical equation is said to be balanced chemical equation. So it is a balanced chemical equation because in LHS and RHS the number of atoms are same of each element. Getting it? But all the time this cannot be done. So in order to balance it, we have certain set of rules. Okay? And what that rule says, so the rule says, first rule is we will select the least number of element placed. I'll explain it to you, don't worry. So we will select, this is the first rule, that we will select the least number of elements that is placed or that is present in the equation. Okay. Similarly, then we will move to the next element after the series. जो सबसे ज़्यादा है उसको बाद में देखेंगे, जो सबसे पहले जो कम है उसको हम लेंगे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट. ठीक है? So like this we are going to take it. Let's take for example again. If we are adding Na plus HCl, okay, so it will form NaCl plus H, or let's take it H2. Okay, now according to this equation we have सोडियम हमारे पास सबसे कम है. So sodium we have Na, one Na and one Na here. One hydrogen but two hydrogen here, one chlorine and one chlorine. So in order to balance, because we have two hydrogen here, we will add two in front of it. अब क्या हो गया, हाइड्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन तो दो हो गया, but अब क्लोरीन भी दो हो गया. But here we have only one chlorine. So what we will do? We will add 2 here. Now the chlorine has been balanced. So 2 chlorines here, 2 chlorine here. Now, but what about sodium? Sodium has now become 2. Now we will add 2 here. So now you can see that equation is balanced. We have 2 sodium here, 2 sodium here, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine and 2 chlorine. Getting it? So here the LHS is equal to RHS. Children, if we are adding 2 here, it does not mean that we are adding 2 only for the hydrogen. We are adding 2 for this whole compound. Okay, which is HCl. HCl एक है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. तो अगर हम 2 यहाँ ऐड कर रहे हैं, it means we are adding it for all. Like we are adding for hydrogen also and we are adding for chlorine also. Getting it? So this is one. And second rule is that we will balance LHS and RHS by hit and trial method. Okay. So let's take few examples and then you will understand it most probably. So this is example number 1. This is called, the first reaction that is given to you is called skeleton equation. Okay, it is called skeleton equation. ठीक, क्योंकि ये ढांचा है. Alright, it is the base of an equation or it is a base chemical equation. So it is called skeleton equation. Okay. Now what we have to do? first we have to see कौन सा सबसे कम है. So here you know, see sodium and sodium we have only one at a one place. हाइड्रोजन ज्यादा है, ऑक्सीजन भी ज्यादा है. ठीक है, तो we will select. So our first step will be to balance sodium. So sodium, see in LHS here we have one sodium, and in RHS also we have one sodium. All right, so sodium is balanced. Okay, now second step, let's take another element. Next element is हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन में से कौन सा कम है? ऑक्सीजन इज लेस देन हाइड्रोजन. ओके, सो लेट्स सी ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन यहाँ एक है, and here also we have only one oxygen. Okay, so to balance oxygen, which is next, so oxygen is also balanced. All right, now coming on to third step, hydrogen. So see how many hydrogen we have in LHS. We have 2 hydrogen, but in here in RHS we have 2 hydrogen here and 1 hydrogen here. Altogether we have 3 hydrogen. तो अब हम इसको कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे? So what we are going to do? We are going to add, right, to balance hydrogen. What we will do, first step is we will add 2 to NaOH. ठीक है, हमने क्या किया, Na plus H2O gives 2 NaOH plus H2. So we have added 2 here. ठीक, अब क्या हुआ, if we have added 2 here, so then there are 2 hydrogen, 2 and 2, altogether 4 hydrogen. But here we have only 2 hydrogen. So now next we will add 2 to water, that is H2O. ठीक, so in next step Na plus 2 H2O will give 2 NaOH plus H2. So now see, hydrogen we have 4. Children, if it is written like this कि यहाँ पे भी 2 लिखा है और यहाँ पे 2 लिखा है, so we multiply it. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे 3 होता और यहाँ 2 होता तो 3 into 2 is 6. यहाँ पे 4 होता 2 होता तो 4 into 2 8. Okay, so we will multiply this 2. So we have 4 hydrogen. Here also we have, see, 2 and 2, 4 hydrogen. Oxygen also we have 2 and we have 2 oxygen. Sodium यहाँ पे 2 है पर यहाँ पे 1 है. So now what we will do, we will add 2 to sodium. So 2 Na plus 2 H2O will give you 2 NaOH plus H2. Now see, is it a balanced equation? 2 sodium, 2 sodium, 4 hydrogen, 2 here and 2 here, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen. Yes, it is a balanced equation. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Correct answer is, the balanced equation is 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2 NaOH plus H2. So this is a balanced equation, and this is called hit and trial method. Okay, अगर आपको समझ में आया तो it's okay. We are going into the next step. There also you will understand it better. Okay, so this is example number 2. C2H2 plus O will give CO2 plus H2O. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to pick up the least number of atom. So least number of atom I think is carbon. Okay, so we have 2 carbon here, but we have 1 carbon here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will add 2 in front of. So first step is add 2 to CO2. So what it will be? It will be C2H2 plus O will give you 2CO2 plus H2O. तो कार्बन तो बैलेंस हो गया. Then let's see oxygen. We have 1 oxygen here, but here we have 4 and 5 oxygen. Well, how many oxygens we have here? Children, see. ये 2 और ये 2. We will multiply it. So it is 4. So we have 4 oxygen here and 1 oxygen here. So altogether we have 5 oxygen. But यहाँ कितना oxygen है? एक ही oxygen. So what we will do? We will add, or we can say we will multiply 5 to oxygen. So what it will be? C2H2 plus 5O will give you 2CO2 plus H2O. So that was about oxygen. Now what about hydrogen? We have 2 hydrogen here and we have 2 hydrogen here. So hydrogen is balanced. So is this chemical reaction a balanced equation? So let's see. We have, I'll select another color. So we have 2 carbon and we have 2 carbon. We have 2 hydrogen, we have 2 hydrogen. We have 5 oxygen and 2 into 2, 4 and 1, 5 oxygen here. So yes, it is a balanced equation. So what is it? It is a balanced equation. Getting it? So by this way we do hit and trial method, and by this way we balance the chemical equation. Now let's take another example. Let's take an example of KClO3 gives KCl plus O2. Okay, so let's talk about it. So here children, we'll start with, so we are going to start with K. ठीक है, तो क्या है फर्स्ट स्टेप? सो एक के इधर 1 potassium and 1 potassium, so it is balanced. What about chlorine? 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine, balanced. But oxygen, we have 3 oxygen here, but we have 2 oxygen here. So what we will do? We will add 3 to oxygen. Okay, add or multiply 3 to oxygen. अब क्या हुआ कि अगर हमने यहाँ पे 3 ऐड कर दिया तो ये ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे कितना हो गया? इट इज 6. सो वी विल राइट दैट इन RHS we have 6 oxygen, but in LHS we have only 3 oxygen. So how we are going to balance it? We will multiply 2 here. Alright. What we will do? We will multiply 2 to KClO3. तो क्या हुआ इससे कि ऑक्सीजन तो बैलेंस हो गया, ये भी 6 हो गया. 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 into 2 is 6. So oxygen is balanced. But what about KCl? Now KCl is not balanced. So for that, so what we will write here now, oxygen is balanced. And what is the equation? KClO3 will give KCl plus 3O2. But here potassium and chlorine are now not balanced. So for that, we will add or multiply 2 to KCl. So what will be the equation? 2 KClO3 gives 2 KCl plus 3O2. Alright. So is this chemical equation balanced? See, we have 2K, we have 2K, we have 2Cl, we have 2Cl, we have 6, 3 into 2, 6 oxygen, and we have 6 oxygen. So yes, this chemical equation is balanced. Alright, this chemical equation is a balanced equation. Clear? So this was another example. Let's come to a bit complex one. This is fourth. So children, please try to solve it on your own. Try to do it on your own, children. Let's see if you can do it. So here first we are going to take nitrogen. So we have, so for nitrogen, we have 1 nitrogen on LHS and 1 nitrogen in RHS. So it is balanced. Okay. Then second step, we will take chlorine. Okay. So we have 1 chlorine here, but we have 2 chlorines here. So what we will do, for chlorine, we have LHS में we have 1 chlorine, but in RHS we have 2 chlorines. So what we will do, we will multiply 2 to LHS, right? So what will be the equation? 2NH4Cl plus CaCOOH whole twice will give CaCl2 plus NH3 plus H2O. Yes. So this will be the equation. Getting it? Okay. But now what? So we have balanced chlorine. What about hydrogen? Let's see hydrogen here. Or let's see oxygen first. Oxygen is less. Calcium is also less. So calcium is 1 here and calcium is 1 here. That is balanced. Let's see oxygen. So we have 2 oxygen. But here we have only 1 oxygen. Okay. So what we are going to do? So write here for oxygen in LHS we have 2 oxygen. In RHS we have 1 oxygen. So we will multiply 2 here. So what will be the chemical equation? 2NH4Cl plus CaOH whole twice will give you CaCl2 plus NH3 plus we are adding 2 here. So it will be 2H2O. In order to balance oxygen. तो अब क्या हुआ? कि ऑक्सीजन LHS में और RHS में दोनों में दो दो हो गया. Now let's see for hydrogen. So we have how many hydrogen here? 4 into 2, that is 8, and 2 here, that is 10. So total in LHS we have 10 hydrogen. What about RHS? We have 3 and we have 4. So this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, so it will be 7. Getting it? 4 and 3, that is 7. And we also have a least less number of nitrogen, क्योंकि नाइट्रोजन यहाँ 2 हो गया और नाइट्रोजन यहाँ 1 हो गया. ठीक है, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? So for nitrogen and hydrogen, what we are going to do? We will add or multiply 2 to nitrogen, that is in NH3. तो कैसे होगा? It will be 2NH4Cl plus CaOH whole twice will give you CaCl2 plus 2NH3 plus 2H2O. Now see whether the reaction is balanced or not. Just see, 2 नाइट्रोजन बैलेंस्ड. हाइड्रोजन कितना है? 8 और ये 2, 10 हाइड्रोजन. हियर वी हैव 6 and 4. So कितना हो गया? 10 हाइड्रोजन. बैलेंस्ड. क्लोरीन 2, क्लोरीन 2, कैल्शियम 1, कैल्शियम 1, oxygen 2, oxygen we have 2, hydrogen we have already balanced. So now it is a balanced chemical equation. So what will be the balanced chemical equation? 2NH4Cl plus CaOH whole twice will give you CaCl2 plus 2NH3 plus 2H2O. So now this is a balanced chemical equation. Children, I think you are getting it. Children, I think you are getting it. If not, please do ask me again in the group. Okay? So this is a balanced chemical equation, and by this we do the hit and trial method. Let's do once more. एक और करते हैं. Then rest of the thing you will do as a homework. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, so what it is Cu plus H2SO4 will give you CuSO4 plus SO2 plus SO3. ठीक है, तो आप इसको एक और तरीके से कर सकते हो. What you can do, you will write LHS here and RHS here. सबसे लीस्ट कौन सा है? कॉपर. So copper is how much? 1. Here also we have 1. So copper is 1 and copper is 1. So it is balanced. Next we have sulfur. Sulfur we have 1 and here we have 2 sulfur. ठीक है, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? Because we have 2 sulfur, So to balance sulfur, because in LHS we have one sulfur and in RHS we have two sulfur, so we will multiply 2 in LHS. So what will be the equation? It will be Cu plus 2H2SO4 will give you CuSO4 plus SO2 plus H2O. Correct? Now, so now sulfur is balanced. Let's take oxygen. Oxygen कितना है? इसको into किया, it is 8. So we have 8 oxygen. Here how many oxygen we have? 4, 5, 6 and 7 oxygen. How many oxygen we have? We have 7 oxygen. Let's talk about hydrogen. Hydrogen कितना है? We have 4 hydrogen here and we have only 2 hydrogen here. Okay? So what we are going to do? We will add 2 to water. Multiply 2 to H2O. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Cu plus 2H2SO4 will give you CuSO4 plus SO2 plus 2H2O. So let's see, is it balanced equation? एक Cu. How many hydrogen we have? Here we have 4 hydrogen. Here also we have 4 hydrogen. We have 2 sulfur and here also we have 2 sulfur. What about oxygen? 8 oxygen here. We have 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 8 oxygen here. So yes, it is a balanced chemical equation. Alright. So by this way, you do the hit and trial method. Children, these two are your homework. The sixth, write it down in your rough notebook. Na2S2O3 HCl gives NaCl plus SO2 plus S plus H2O. This you will try and this also you will try. As2O3 plus SnCl2 plus HCl plus SnCl4 plus As plus H2O. So these two are your homework. Okay? Try to do this. Write down in your rough notebook wherever you are solving it. So write it down. These two are your homeworks. This one, Na2S2O3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus SO2 plus S plus H2O. And this one, As2O3 plus SnCl2 plus HCl plus SnCl4 plus As plus H2O. So children, these two are your homework. Okay? So please do solve it. So this is the way we do the hit and trial method of a chemical equation. Okay? What you will write in your fair notebook, what you are going to do is that you will write today's date. Okay? You will write language of chemistry. You will write the heading balancing of a chemical equation by hit and trial method. Okay? And after that, you will open the book and you will write this. You will write hit and trial method heading. You will write all the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. All these steps, everything you will write. Okay? Clear? Or what I will do is I'll send you the PDF what you have to write in your fair notebook. Okay, so don't worry about it. So I will send you the PDF what you have to write in your fair notebook, but you will write the date, today's date, language of chemistry, and the heading or the name of the chapter will be balancing the chemical equation by hit and trial method. Getting it? So this was hit and trial method and how you can balance the chemical equation. So these two questions that I have given you as a homework, you will solve it and show it to me. Okay, you will send it in the group. Alright, so that's all for today's class, children. Hope you have understood it. So if not, children, you can ask me in the group. I'll explain it to you again in the next class. Okay, don't hesitate. I will again explain it to you in the next class if you have any doubt in solving this. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Hope you have understood it. This is very important. So let's meet in the next class. So that's all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind, children.